Hello guys, Osman here. So today I'm going to do a review video about a brand new product that just hit the market. So the product name is called Emoji Profits. Right now I'm just on the sales page. So before I show you the members area, let's get over on the sales page and see what these claims are. Okay, so basically this product is created by Manny Hanif and Dan Bradley. So these are the product creators, Dan Bradley and Manny Hanif. Okay, so they've put together Emoji Profits, and what it does is actually show you how to create campaign, like how to create posts, and then how to get traffic, how to create how to get likes, engagements, and obviously on how to make sales. So this is a method that advanced marketers are using, including myself, and here is a screenshot of the result that they've been able to get using this. And the claim here is you don't need Facebook ads, you don't need an email list, you don't need solo ad paid tool, creating video, blog content, technical skills, right? So this method is basically beginners friendly. So obviously if you're starting out and you want to use only organic traffic, so I highly suggest Emoji Profits is going to help you out, because this is what showing here. It's a brand new method working in 2020 and doesn't require any paid tools. So, and have they been able to use emojis to get result? Okay, so I won't show you too much about the sales page. You've probably seen this. And before I show you the members area, I've also write blog content. So if you prefer to read content instead of watching videos, you can just go to the link below the description of this video. So here I'm talking about the pricing. So this product goes live on 6 February 2020 at 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay, and front end price is $12.97 to $19.97. Obviously when they start getting sales, they try to increase the price, and it comes back with a 14 days money back guaranteed. Okay, so I've explained to you here what Emoji is about, is how to create charge posts to get more likes, engagement, and sale. Okay, so let me show you what's inside the members area, and then I will go through the OTOs and everything. Okay, so here is inside the members area, and that's the front end. When you purchase $12.97, you're going to get access to this here, and the members area consists of 13 videos, yeah, including 2 bonuses video. So the first video is about the overview of what is emojis, and secondly on why you should use emojis, and then here is showing you how to get started using emojis, and then where you can find emoji site to use. Okay, and here are example of charge posts on how people are using it and how you can implement that into your business, and creating emojis posts, and also the next your result with this trick. Okay, so here this video is actually some hacks. It's going to show you some hacks on how to use emojis, which is very, very powerful, right? So emojis and email, basically a lot of people are not using emojis, and only advanced marketers are using them. It's a brand new, it's not a brand new concept, it's been around, but just people don't make use of it. So it's showing you how you can use emojis in your email, in your subject line, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, even on TikTok, right? This is very, very powerful. And then got emojis and group. This one is about Instagram, how to turn off your Instagram posts, and emojis and YouTube, which I've just told you about. And also what to promote. That's very important. How to write posts and then how to promote. So that's very, very powerful stuff. And then got case study where Manny Hanif is actually using emojis and being able to generate over $100. I think it was 500 or 760. I'm not sure. So this is the case study on how he's using it. And then again here is on LinkedIn. And now for the bonuses, this is offering emojis as your own service, right? So a lot of people are not using them, so you could offer emojis as a done for you service and start making your own commission. Okay, so let me show you about the OTOs. So here on the blog as well, right, sales page, and then bonuses you're offering. Yeah, so launch price is $12.97. The price goes up as the sales start coming in, so up to $19.97. And then the OTO number 1 is a done for you package. Okay, so let's see here. If you click on here, done for you upgrade, this is what the sales page is about. Okay, so basically it's giving you swipes, copy and paste your Emoji Profit with this done for you swipe file. So this is what the OTO number 1 is, and the price is $67. Yeah, so this is what I've written here. How would you like us to do all the hard work for you to profit? And then you've got the OTO number 2, which is a secret vault. Let's open that new tab. Okay, so OTO number 2 is basically a memberships recurring, where they're actually going to give you coaching. So this is what the secret was, a brand new membership site from Dan and Manny, where you get access to cutting edge secret strategies method for making money. So basically show you other ways on how you can make money with emojis by promoting CPA, affiliate, and then much more. So it's $17 a month. And then you've got the OTO number 3, which is $497. Okay, this is the inner circle where you get private coaching. Okay, so this is like private coaching, and yeah, so it's $497. And also you got the frequently asked question, if emoji, what's emoji is all about, and it comes with 14 days money back guaranteed. So if you decide to purchase emojis, you're not happy with it, so you can simply ask for a refund. Okay, and here on this video, on this is what me and my partner Samia is offering as bonuses. So when you purchase emojis through if you decide to purchase emojis through our link, you're going to get access to AdWords, how to use AdWords, ultimate launch jacking secrets. We got our private Facebook group, and then SEO hacks, and you can go through that, guys. So this will be a link below this video where you can go through that. And I want to show you yeah, so I want to show you example of myself using emojis. Okay, so here's my Facebook profile where I'm actually using emojis. I got like 68 likes and 91 comment, and also here this one I got 85 likes and 63 comment, and this 118 likes and 105 comments. And also I'm using them to actually make sales. Okay, so these are some of the posts that I'm using to actually get people to interact, and then obviously message them, and if they find value, you're going to buy, and then I make sales. Okay, so a special bonuses for you if you guys are watching this video, and this is what I want to offer you, because I know you'll be purchasing emojis, and then I want to give you access to my private Facebook group. It's called the 7 Figures Mastery, where look, every day I'm adding people. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to build your own Facebook group, and also how to get members inside your group. Right, so I've got over 1173 members, and every day I get like 20 to 15 members joining this group, and we offer a lot of value, guys. So this is what my bonus is about. And also you might be wondering what should I purchase. Okay, so just go on the OTO, what I would recommend. So I recommend you purchase the front end, because that's important. You need to get there. And then when it comes to the done for you package, if you're brand new and you have no idea how to use emojis, then the done for you package is worth it. However, if you can find posts, and I'll give you actually permission to go on my wall and to get inspiration from my posts, and you can use them. Plus, I'm going to give you if you purchase through this link, I'm going to give you extra posts, like something that you will never run out of content, like where to find content like I got and post on my wall. You'll be able to have access to the same resources, right? So this is something that not everybody is giving, but I'm going to give you everything that I'm using and how you can start implementing this as well in your business. Okay, so that's why I said here. So the OTO number 1, if you don't want to purchase $67, you can skip that. But the secret vault membership, $17 a month, you can get in and see what Manny and Dan is giving you. For unlikely reason you're not happy, you can always cancel it. And the inner circle group coaching, that one is $497. It's a bit pricey. It's 8 weeks of group coaching. I'm not saying I would not recommend this. However, it's based on you. If you have the money and you really want to get serious about getting coaching from Manny and Dan, then obviously go for it. Else not, I would suggest to get the OTO number 2 and the front end. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoy my review. I've shared everything about emoji traffic. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and again, if you decide to purchase through my link, you'll see a link below this video. And also, if you want to read the review, which is on my partners Samia Mukhtar blog, there'll be a link as well. And until next time, I'll see you on the internet. Bye for now.